Hey everyone, today I am going to show you how to multiply using the lattice multiplication method. By the way, this is the second video on lattice multiplication, so you might want to check out the previous one. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel after watching this video, and if you're watching from our Facebook page, please follow us here on Facebook. Now, let's get started. The problem that we're going to try to solve is 236 times 28. As you can see, the boxes are already set up, and 236 is written on top, horizontally, and 28 is written on the side, vertically. So what's the first step that we're going to take? Let's look at the box on the top right-hand corner with the sides of 6 and 2. What is 6 times 2? 6 times 2 is 12, so we're going to put 12 in that box. We're going to put 1 in the first triangle and 2 in the second triangle. Now that this box is filled in, let's move on to the next box, which is in the middle and at the top with the sides of 3 and 2. What is 3 times 2? 3 times 2 is 6, so we're going to put 6 in that box, but because there is no value in the tens place, we're going to put a 0 in the first triangle and a 6 in the second triangle. Now that this box is filled in, let's move on to the next box, which is at the top left-hand corner with the sides of 2 and 2. What is 2 times 2? 2 times 2 is 4, so we're going to put a 4 in that box, but because there's no value in the tens place, we're going to put a 0 in the first triangle, and we are going to put a 4 in the second triangle. Now that this box is filled out, let's move on to the box on the bottom right-hand corner with the sides of 6 and 8. What is 6 times 8? 6 times 8 is 48, so we're going to put 48 in that box. We're going to put 4 in the first triangle and 8 in the second triangle. Now that this box is filled in, let's move on to the middle box at the bottom with the sides of 3 and 8. What is 3 times 8? 3 times 8 is 24. So we're going to put 24 in that box. We're going to put a 2 in the first triangle and a 4 in the second triangle. Now that this box is filled out, let's move on to the last box, which is on the bottom left-hand corner with the sides of 2 and 8. What is 2 times 8? 2 times 8 is 16, so we're going to put 16 in that box. We're going to put a 1 in the first triangle and a 6 in the second triangle. Now all of the boxes are filled in. Now we are done with all the multiplying, so now we have to add diagonally. Let's go from right to left. So let's go to the bottom right-hand corner where there's an 8 in that diagonal. Since there's just an 8 in that diagonal, we're going to put down an 8. Let's move on to the next diagonal where we have the numbers 2, 4, and 4. Let's add those numbers together. What is 2 plus 4? 2 plus 4 is 6, and what is 6 plus 4? 6 plus 4 is 10. So we're going to put a 0 down here, and we're going to carry the 1. Now let's move on to the next diagonal where we have the numbers 1, 1, 6, 2, and 6. Let's add them together. What is 1 plus 1? 1 plus 1 is 2. What is 2 plus 6? 2 plus 6 is 8. What is 8 plus 2? 8 plus 2 is 10. And what is 10 plus 6? 10 plus 6 is 16. So we're going to put a 6 down here, and we are going to carry the 1. Now let's move on to the next diagonal where we have the numbers 1, 0, 4, and 1. What is 1 plus 0? 1 plus 0 is 1. What is 1 plus 4? 1 plus 4 is 5. And what is 5 plus 1? 5 plus 1 is 6. So we're going to put a 6 down there. Now let's move on to the last diagonal. There's a 0 in that last diagonal, so we're not going to put down anything for that diagonal. So we are done with this problem. If you look at the bottom of the screen, you'll see where it says 6608, and that is the answer to 236 times 28. 236 times 28 is 6,608. I hope you understood how we solved this problem. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned from this video, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And if you're watching from our Facebook page, please follow us here on Facebook. Please support us as we create and provide educational videos, so please hit that subscribe button, and if you're watching from our Facebook page, please hit that follow button. Check out more of our videos on YouTube and on our Facebook page. Also stay tuned for more videos.